Hi mates! Na-date na ba ang lahat? Kung hindi pa, I've got the ultimate Baguio walking tour for you. First up, unahin natin itong malapit lang sa market nila. Checking out the amazing mural paintings. Ito yung isa sa mga naging cultural identity nila. If you want to have the place at gusto mong mag-picture taking na walang katao-tao o konti lang yung tao, punta ka dito ng maaga, like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. As you can see, ito mga alas 8 pa lang to eh. This is totally Instagrammable and free. And if you want to have more of this, pagbaba mo pa lang sa terminal, meron ka na makikitang mga murals. Kaso nga lang, yung iba medyo hindi na siya klarado. Goods pa din naman. Baka nga mas hindi pa klarado yung karelasyon mo eh. Uy, pasensya na sa hugot ko. It comes out naturally. At sa mga nagtatanong pala kung bakit hindi ako nagpo-post ng umaga. Pasensya na, katulong po kasi tayo. Kaya trabaho muna. Anyways, as shown to you are the mural paintings of the city. Now, after snapping some pics, videos, fuel up muna tayo with the famous Binatog at the Maharlika Building. In front lang to ng People's Park. Para sa akin, hindi kumpleto ang Baguio tour mo kung hindi mo matry to. I posted a price list, very affordable. It's made of a white corn kernel, grated coconut, sugar, and a generous amount of milk. Twice ako bumili dito, and sa pagbili ko, always may pila. Pero carry lang, kasi it's worth it naman. By the way, order the big one because you'll need the energy to walk to the mansion, which is open to the public. And don't forget to take a pic with the iconic Wright Park in the background. Now, if you're feeling extra, rent an Igorot costume for 50 pesos. Unlimited time, unlimited pose. Bahala ka kung anong gawin mo. Gumala ka like you're a local. Then bumili ka ng cute and innocent keychains nila. Lakad naman tayo puntang Burnham Park where you'll want to grab some strawberry taho. Then you're sitting, looking at the people paddling. Wait lang, wala akong kasama na kakasad. Alis muna ako dito. Let's head over to Good Shepherd for some top-notch ube and strawberry jam. This is perfect for pasalubong. I even witnessed the unloading of their ube. And my goodness, it's the real deal. Kaya naman pala masarap because of the quality of their ube. Diretsoy na natin yung pamili ng pasalubong. Let's go ahead to their market para ma-exhaust yung wallet mo. Pero dapat good buys. Sa experience, their market is organized, hindi mabaho, at walang nangungulit. For coffee lovers pala, make sure to stop by to this roasted coffee spot para ma-fix yung caffeine mo. As I was saying kanina, for bulk buys, head straight to the second floor inside the market. It's cheaper and you can haggle for some extra discounts. Dito namili sila mama to comply the civil service Monday dress code policy. Yung Asian-inspired Filipiniana clothing. Now, after buying pasalubong and stuff, finally, wind down tayo at chocolate baterol and indulge their delicious chocolate. Deserve nating umupo, try their delicious drink, kasi malamig ang panahon. That's all for my Baguio trip. Thank you for watching. Ingat, buyers!